Welcome back to our AutoCAD tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be exploring one of the essential commands in AutoCAD, the scale command. Let's jump right in. To start, open an AutoCAD drawing where you want to apply the scale command. To access the scale command, you can either use the icon on the toolbar or type scale in the command line and press enter. Let's choose the first option for now. Great! Now, let's learn how to use the scale command step by step. Select the object you want to scale. Once you have selected your objects, AutoCAD will prompt you to specify a base point. The base point acts as the reference point around which your selected objects will scale. After selecting the base point, AutoCAD will ask you to specify the scale factor. Here, you have a few options. You can enter a scale factor manually. Alternatively, you can use reference scaling methods like specifying a second point, entering a reference length, or using the reference option to create a scaling reference. Press enter or click on the OK button in the scaling dialog box to apply the scale to your selected objects. Congratulations! You have successfully used the scale command in AutoCAD to resize your objects. With practice, you'll become proficient in utilizing this command to modify your designs. Stay tuned for more AutoCAD tutorials coming your way. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. See you next time.